Let me ask you something. Have you ever broken a promise to someone who couldn't even speak? Someone who trusted you with their entire heart? Today's story will change the way you see loyalty forever. And I promise, you won't be able to skip even a single second. If you believe promises still matter, subscribe right now. Because what you're about to hear is not just a story. It's a warning. There was a village where a boy named Arjun lived with his family. He was 23, ambitious, and ready to chase his dreams in the city. But there was someone who loved him more than anyone else in this world. A brown street dog named Moti. Arjun had found Moti as a puppy, abandoned and shivering in the rain. He brought him home, fed him, and from that day, Moti became his shadow. Every morning, Moti would wait outside Arjun's door. Not for food, but just to see his face. They were inseparable. Then one day, Arjun got a job offer in the city. Big salary, bright future. But he couldn't take Moti with him. The night before leaving, Arjun knelt down, held Moti's face and said, "I'll come back for you. Just wait." Moti licked his hand. He believed. The next morning, Arjun left. And Moti? He walked to the bus stop and sat there, waiting. Days passed. Weeks passed. Months passed. But Moti never moved. He sat there every single day, watching every bus, hoping to see Arjun. People in the village started noticing. Shopkeepers left food for him. Children petted him and said, "Don't worry, he'll come." But Moti's body grew weaker. His eyes grew sadder. Still, he waited. Meanwhile, Arjun was busy. New job. New friends. Parties. Promotions. He thought about Moti sometimes, but always said, "I'll visit next month." Next month never came. One day, a shopkeeper named Ramesh, who had been watching Moti every day, started writing in a small diary. He wrote what Moti did. How long he waited. How he refused to leave. Day after day, he recorded Moti's loyalty. 8 months later, Arjun's mother called. Her voice was shaking. "Moti is gone. He died 2 days ago. Still waiting for you." Arjun's world collapsed. He took the first bus home. When he reached the village, he ran to the bus stop. Moti wasn't there. He fell to his knees and cried. Ramesh walked up to him and handed him the diary. "I wrote this for you, so you'd know what loyalty looks like." Arjun opened it. The first page read, "Day 1. Moti waited all day. Didn't eat much." He turned the pages. Day 45. Moti is getting weaker, but still waits. His hands trembled. Then he reached the last page. Day 237. Moti refused food today. I think he knows you're not coming. He closed his eyes at the same spot, still facing the road. Arjun couldn't breathe. The diary fell from his hands. He had been given 8 months. 8 months to keep his promise. But he chose everything else over the one who loved him most. Here's the truth. Moti's story is not rare. It happens every day. Parents wait for their children's call. Friends wait for time. Loved ones wait for attention. We make promises. We say, "I'll be there." But we get busy. We forget. And they keep waiting. The painful part? They don't stop loving us. They just stop hoping. And when we finally remember, it's too late. The wait is over. and all we're left with is regret. Loyalty is not just about staying. It's about showing up when you said you would. Promises are not just words. They are responsibilities. Time doesn't wait. Neither does the heart that loves you. If someone is waiting for you today, don't make them wait forever. Because one day, you'll come back, and they won't be there anymore. And that pain, that regret, you'll carry it for the rest of your life. If this story shook something inside you, subscribe to this channel and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Because some lessons should never be learned too late.